Guys, Linda here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're just seeing me for the first time, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Linda Nkechi Esemedolu, and in this video I'm going to be talking about a Vietnamese hairband. And a friend of mine got scammed. I would like to say she got scammed though. She mistakenly went to buy hair from this hair vendor. She spent $5,000 buying hairs from these vendors, and when she received the hairs, guys, I'll just show you videos of what these hairs, the wigs look like, so you get to understand why I'm calling out this particular hair vendor.
It's supposed to be a factory hair, factory color. Mia, what you did to me, God will look after you. You charged me for super drone, you gave me double drone. Super drone don't have short hairs. All the hair are straight from middle to the end. Look at what you did for me. It's not just the wig. Look, this is supposed to be a super drone, a super double drone, and it has all the little hairs everywhere. You see, I'm trying to style it. I'm struggling. Look, and you call this super double drone? Are you seeing what you gave me? I don't know how I'm going to sell this. I am heartbroken. I don't know if I can even get half of my money back. I don't know what to say because I don't want to lose my customers. You didn't treat me nice. I trusted you. I want to do good business with you. Look, you see? And you call it super double drone? You said it's a bounce, magic bounce. You put here, magic bounce. This is a straight hair you just coiled for me. It's not a bounce hair, it's a straight hair. Look at the color. Look how we stand the net. How am I supposed to sell it to customer? What am I going to tell them? Look at this. This is so unprofessional. Look. How am I supposed to sell this, eh? Almost $4,000 gone. Please, what is this? How am I supposed to sell this? What is this? Mia, I am disappointed. Look, this look like they use scissors to cut it. Are you seeing? And you call this trying your best? Look. Look.
The name of the hair company is VIETNAMHAIRLUXURY.VN. On Instagram, they have over 70.7k followers. Like, lots of people I know are even following them on Instagram. Like 3 people I know personally are following them on Instagram. So their Instagram page is popping. For them to have over 70,000 followers on Instagram, like, and if you see their page, their posts, the quality, like the hairs on their page looks so good. It looks so good. It looks so good. Their Instagram is popping. From how the hair looks, the hair that my friend received, you will see how it looks. Like, these hairs are shedding. When you wash the hairs that are colored, the color is coming off. The hair is just, even the wigs that were made for her, the wigs were shabbily made. So it's just really sad that a company with this amount of huge following could be rendering such a very shabby service and could be selling very poor quality hair. Meanwhile, when you go to their Instagram page, it's popping. Like, you are seeing hairs that look like the best thing since God knows, since sliced bread. Like, the hairs on their page look like it's really bomb. But what my friend received was very terrible. So guys, this is just to warn you, don't buy hair from this VIETNAMHAIRLUXURY.VN. they're on Instagram, and if you look at their Instagram page, it's popping. You might just go and fall victim for them, and you will lose your money. She spent over 5,000 US dollars buying hairs from these particular vendors, and all of the hairs she received from them were crappy hairs. The hairs are shedding, the hairs are scanty, the wigs are not well done. Even the hairs are not even well styled, because she likes to pay extra to get her wigs, like to get the bundle sewed into wigs for her. This vendor couldn't deliver any of these things for her. And even on to coloring the hair, even for the hairs that are colored, as I said earlier, if you wash the hair, all of the color is literally just dripping out of the hair. So it just seems like the hair can't even retain the color, or the color which they use in coloring the hair, it's not good quality. So I just see a lot of shabbiness with this particular Vietnam, what's the name of the company again? VIETNAMHAIRLUXURY.VN. And it's really sad because she mistakenly bought from this vendor, because normally this is not the vendor she would normally buy from. There's another hair vendor that has a similar logo to this one that she would normally buy from. And the bad thing is, with this Vietnamese vendor, some of them tend to, they go and replicate each other's logo, so that so customers might mistakenly go and buy from this one, thinking that oh, it's the same thing as the other one. Like, guys, you need to be very, very careful when you are purchasing hairs from vendors, because if you mistakenly just go by how popping their Instagram looks, you'll be so disappointed when you receive your order. And this is just to warn you, please don't buy hairs from Vietnam Hair Luxury. Because what VIETNAMHAIRLUXURY.VN, because I think I've seen another video on people complaining about this particular vendor. And the thing is, what they always do is, by the time someone goes and makes videos complaining about their products and services and whatever, they will go on Instagram and tweak their company name. They might just go and put one V.N. They'll just go and change their company name in a particular way, so that people wouldn't know that, oh, it's the same company that person is complaining about. And I think the person that attended to that, my friend, her name is Mia. She works with Vietnam Hair Luxury, so she gave her very, very crappy quality hairs. So ladies, wherever you are, if you are trying to get into hair, if you don't make the mistake, don't fall victim for Vietnam Hair Luxury. Don't fall victim for them, because my friend spent $5,000 on hairs, and most of these hairs are very crappy, because you know how long length hairs can be expensive. You have to spend over $400, $500 on just one wig, because the length is long, and then you put your hand through the hair and all of the hair is shedding, all of the hair is shedding off. Please, ladies, avoid VIETNAMHAIRLUXURY.VN. Like, please, if you don't want to lose your money, don't buy hairs from Vietnam Hair Luxury. I'm going to put all of the receipts which she sent me on this video, so you guys get to see. Because another thing is, when a vendor is even telling you, oh, if a vendor cannot allow you return hairs to them and refund your money back to you, don't buy hairs from that vendor. Please don't go through that heartache. If you are going to buy hair from any vendor and the vendor won't allow you return the hair back to them, please don't go and invest your huge amount of resources into that hair vendor. Please don't do it. And if you feel like you just want to try out this particular vendor, don't spend a huge amount of money buying hair from a particular vendor for the first time. What you want to do is, you want to try as much as possible to not buy a maximum of 3 bundles of hair and a closure or a frontal from that vendor. At least from that small, you can begin to trust the vendor with more and more. You don't just go in and buy a huge amount. You don't go in and invest a huge amount of money on a particular vendor which you haven't even built trust with or even a good relationship with. So guys, be very careful out there, because some companies they are willing to cheat a customer and get away with it, especially for we that are Africans that tend to buy these hairs from these Asian people. Because I feel like, to some extent, they don't really respect us, because they feel like, how would you be taking somebody's hair and wearing on your head? Then they sell these hairs, but they don't wear these hairs. So when they see us spend so much money just to get their hairs, I feel like, to some extent, they're looking at us like a bunch of fools or something. That's the reason why you have situations whereby they can just mix and match whatever rubbish that they have and send to us as our orders, and they take our money from us. And the thing is, we always have to pay them before we receive those orders. They don't send the hair to us except we've paid them. They would have collected their money in full. So you need to be very, very careful what vendor you're buying hair from. This particular vendor I've called out in this video, please avoid them. Don't buy hairs from them. And I see that some of my friends, some people that I know, are actually following these vendors on Instagram. I just hope they don't fall victim to this particular hair vendor. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and please warn your friends to stay clear from this particular vendor so they don't lose their money or waste their precious resources on a useless vendor like this one. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, if you are thankful that you found this video before making a mistake to purchase hairs from this vendor because their Instagram page is popping, make sure you like this video, share with your friends to also warn them, and please subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. I have a huge playlist for hair related content, and I'm quite sure you will get value out of my playlist and other amazing content which I have on my channel. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to be bold and have courage, guys. Live a positive life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Be careful out there.